Hi there, this is the Awaretech Smart Power Bank. Today we'll be going over an unboxing, a product overview, and show you how to get it set up. So we'll start with the unboxing. Get into here, pull out the unit, comes away quite nicely. Underneath you've got the user manual setup guide to get you started. Then you've got the main device here, the USB connection cable. Then underneath the device you'll also find a little removal pin as well as an FAQ and the app installation guide. So now I'll go ahead and get this one ready to show you an overview. Alrighty, taking a look at the product, it works exactly like a power bank does. So on the top side here, you have a USB port where you can charge off a device, and on the side you have a power button to turn the power bank on and off. So to check the battery status, you just press it once and a light will appear indicating with LEDs how much charge it has. This one out of the box has about 20% charge just by the initial dot there. When you want to turn it on to use it, press and hold for 1.5 seconds to turn on the device, and the white camera LED will move from a solid light to a blinking white light after about 40 seconds. When you're done recording, press and hold the power button on the side for up to 10 seconds, and then all the lights will go off, indicating the device is off. Now we'll go ahead and show you how to set this one up with the app. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and pressed the button for 1.5 seconds and waited for 60 seconds for the LED to start blinking. Just quickly as well with this one, if you want to get a closer look, you can actually put a finger into the gap where the USB port is there and just simply pull away the top half, giving you access to the inside where you can see the camera. The LED indicator is a little bit better. The SD card slot, there's a hole right there for the reset pin, and then you can see the USB in full right there. Put that back on now, just clicks right back into place. Now this one's good to connect. I'll go into the settings on my phone. I'll just put the camera on its side like this. Connect to the B-Link device and put in the default password, which is 0123456789. Join. Once this connects, which can take up to a minute the first time, we'll go back out and go into IoT Living. Top right corner, press the plus button, manual add, search camera from LAN, and there it is right there. So we'll join in and call this one test. Okay, done. And now that I can see that it's online, I'll simply click the play button, skip setting a password for now. You can see right there, there's my hand in real time. Other settings you might want to look into, if you click the cog in the bottom right corner, going into network information and connecting to Wi-Fi will let you remote view the device from anywhere else. And you can scroll down to the parameters section where there's a few different options, but the big ones are the recording setting, motion setting, and infrared light setting at the very bottom if you want to turn your night vision on and off. If you have any questions about this, just get in touch and let us know.